Raze to the ground is an English expression meaning to destroy a building, structure, town, so that almost nothing remains standing. The verb raze itself means to demolish or destroy something. Therefore, the phrase emphasizes total destruction. It is commonly used when describing buildings destroyed by war, fire, natural disasters, or deliberate demolition. For example, the old factory was razed to the ground means the factory was demolished and reduced to rubble. It therefore conveys a stronger sense of finality than simply saying something was damaged. The expression can sometimes seem slightly repetitive because raze already contains the idea of destroying something. However, adding to the ground makes the image stronger. It suggests that walls, roofs, towers, and other parts of a structure have disappeared, leaving the site nearly level with the earth. Speakers often use this phrase when they want listeners to imagine destruction that is extensive. Historically, the word raze comes from a French word connected with scraping, shaving, something down close to the surface. This background helps explain the visual force of the expression. When something is razed, it is figuratively shaved down until little remains above ground level. The phrase is common in descriptions of warfare, where armies may raze fortifications, villages, or buildings to prevent enemies from using them again. The phrase is also frequently used when talking about fires. A fire can raze a house, warehouse, or neighborhood to the ground. For instance, a news report might say, "The fire razed several homes to the ground." This does not necessarily mean every object disappeared. Debris, foundations, or damaged materials may remain. The expression mainly communicates that the structures were destroyed beyond repair and could no longer function as before. Although raze to the ground usually refers to destruction, it can occasionally be used figuratively. A writer might describe an organization, reputation, or system as being razed to the ground if it has been completely dismantled. Such figurative usage creates an image of total collapse. Nevertheless, the expression sounds most natural when applied to buildings, settlements, and structures. For less damage, words such as damage, tear down, or demolish may be more appropriate. Learners should also distinguish raze from raze. These two words are pronounced exactly the same, but their meanings are almost opposite in some contexts. Raze can mean to lift something upward or build something, while raze means to destroy or level something. Thus, they razed the building could mean they constructed it, whereas they razed the building means they demolished it. Context and spelling are therefore essential for understanding which word is intended. In conclusion, raze to the ground means to destroy a building or place completely, leaving little or nothing standing. It is a vivid expression associated with war, fires, disasters, and demolition. The phrase strengthens the meaning already contained in raze and creates an image of something being reduced nearly to ground level. Understanding its force, contexts, and difference from the homophone raze helps English learners use this expression accurately and effectively in both spoken and written English.